We are tracking chances for showers and storms moving through our area tonight, and we have the potential for some severe weather.
Let's get over to the chief, Ellen Bacca, with the latest track. Ellen?
Oh, you have a really big variance in the types of showers and storms that are rolling over West Michigan right now. Some of them are just sprinkles, but others have quite a bit of strength to them. And so we did already see one severe thunderstorm warning that was on the north side of Big Rapids. And we also have some very strong storms which are just getting ready to that halfway point over Lake Michigan. We're also going to be watching these. So there is enough in the atmosphere to trigger a strong storm or two. There's also a lot of low-level spin. So even if we have a thunderstorm that's just strong enough, it could spin up just a small, brief tornado that would impact so few of us here in West Michigan. But we do need to know that that is in the realm of possibility tonight. So that's why we're watching these so closely. With this line that looks like it's the most powerful out of the set, it's tracking at about 35 miles per hour and it's tracking north-northeast. So it should be headed towards Grand Haven State Park close to 8:30. Norton Shores, 8:32. Muskegon Heights, 8:34, and then Dalton, 8:36. This is a changing environment, and some of these will weaken and strengthen, and new ones could pop out ahead of the line. So again, we have to babysit the radar to see how this entire thing is developing, because it very much is a changing situation moment to moment. You'll notice that we have a lot of showers and storms wrapping back behind towards Cedar Rapids. It looks like at this point in time, the strongest set is going to be Illinois and potentially out into Indiana. We are not included in any severe thunderstorm watches at this point in time, but we do have an increased risk level. By the time we get past midnight tonight, things really taper off. So our weather impacts are looking like the most potential for damaging winds through about midnight. And then once we get after that, it should just be some normal showers and storms. Here's how it looks on your FUTURECAST. 7 o'clock, a round of showers and storms making it to the lakeshore. By the time we get to 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, a few more pepper in. We also have to watch some of these strong ones that have been in Indiana and see if they migrate up into spots like Kalamazoo and Battle Creek. Again, once we get past midnight, we should start to see some of these fizzle in intensity, but all of us should at the very least tonight see some scattered showers. Wanted to show you this view in South Haven. We still have a few breaks in the clouds even still, and temperatures are incredibly warm. In fact, we did hit 80 in a lot of spots. Notice the temperature difference on the other side of this storm system down into the 60s. So tomorrow we are going to see the 60-degree air move in. Tuesday we'll see some scattered showers from time to time. Wednesday still mild 72 with a bit of sunshine. But all in all, we are going to start stepping towards the cooler trends. As we get into Tuesday, we don't have to worry about any severe weather, and then the rest of the week it's very quiet with some shower chances here and there. A front that moves through Wednesday night, and then it looks like a good chance of showers right now on Saturday. But Brian, Sue, check out these temperatures, 58. We haven't seen back-to-back 58 in months.
Hello, October.
I know, it finally arrived.
Thanks, Ellen.
Thanks, Ellen.